Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for 17 on the east side of North Carolina on this RCI-2950 dx-6 and the crusher built with 4 HG MRF454 transistors. 17, we got you ready to go. Did our tune and alignment, clarifier mod, also did the AM regulator upgrade. Let me show you what we got here. We got this thing lined out to run with the crusher belt. We're going to show you the radio first. 5-watt slug all the way down. A little over a half a watt, which you won't be running it that way. 100-watt slug rolled all the way up, right at 10 watts. We'll roll it back down to about 4. Peak kit, show you peak power. Low at 95 peak, average, low 38 bird. We'll pull the 100-watt slug out, flip on the crusher belt, roll the carrier down. I'm going to put a 1000-watt slug in. So right there's 100 watts. It will roll up right about 200, but you're probably going to run it down around 100 watts or so. I'm going to show you average power swing. About 390 bird. Peak power. About 950 peak. Alright, seems pretty efficient to me. About 10 times the power. 38 bird in was about 380, 390 bird out. 95 peak in was 950 peak out. Alright, if this is something like what you're looking for, check us out on the web at www.truckcbsales.com. And if you don't see what you're looking for, just click on the contact button, send us an email. 17, I think you're really going to enjoy this radio and this crusher built. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.